information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. This is your NOAA weather radio station Kgg68, Houston, Texas. This is your NOAA weather radio station Kgg68, Houston, Texas. Flash flood warning for northeastern Brazoria, southeastern Fort Bend, and southwestern Galveston counties has been replaced with a flood warning. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Chambers County in southeastern Texas, northern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conroe, Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Willis, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Shepherd, Anahuac, Panorama Village, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Magnolia, Wood Branch, Cut and Shoot, Ames, Diazetta, Cold Spring, and Hardin. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Beryl makes landfall near Matagorda, Texas. New information. Changes to watches and warnings. None current watches and warnings. A storm surge warning and hurricane warning are in effect for Brazoria Islands, coastal Brazoria, coastal Jackson, coastal Matagorda, Galveston Island, and Matagorda Islands. A hurricane warning is in effect for inland Brazoria, inland Jackson, inland Matagorda, and Wharton. A storm surge warning and tropical storm warning are in effect for Bolivar Peninsula, Chambers, coastal Galveston, and coastal Harris. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Austin, Brazos, Burleson, Colorado, Fort Bend, Grimes, Houston, inland Galveston, inland Harris, Madison, Montgomery, northern Liberty, Polk, San Jacinto, southern Liberty, Trinity, Walker, Waller, and Washington. Storm information: about 90 miles west-southwest of Galveston, Texas, or about 0 miles west of Matagorda, Texas, 28.6 and 96.0 W. Storm intensity 80 miles per hour. Movement north or 355 degrees at 12 miles. Inland, it will continue to bring gusty winds, periods of heavy rain, and potential for brief tornadoes. The threat for all of these hazards is relatively higher for areas to the east of the storm center. The current forecast track brings the center of the storm along the westernmost portions of the Houston metro later this morning and early this afternoon. By this evening, the center of the storm will be exiting the area and conditions will improve. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, Texas, around 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or sooner if conditions warrant. Flood warning now in effect until late tonight. What? Moderate